In this video, I will show you how to use Clear app icons on your iPhone running iOS 26. Press and hold the empty area until all the apps start jiggling. This indicates that you are now in edit mode. Next, tap on the edit button located at the top left corner of your screen. Once selected, this will reveal several options for customizing your home screen. Among these options, find and tap on Customize. Now you'll see 4 distinct customization options appear at the bottom of your display. To create those sleek, Clear app icons, simply select Clear from this menu. After selecting Clear, there's one more step before finalizing your new look. You can choose between 3 themes: light, dark, or auto mode. If you prefer a bright interface during daytime use or a darker theme for nighttime browsing, pick whichever option suits your style best. Once satisfied with your selections, exit out of edit mode by tapping the home screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.